How to get a receipt from eBay. So the first step is to simply sign in to your eBay account. So start by opening the eBay website or app on your device. Sign into the account you used to make the purchase. If you're a computer, go to the eBay homepage, click on sign in. At the top right corner, enter your email and other pieces of info. Now, once you've done so, go ahead and open up your purchase history and then simply head into the purchase you would like to get a receipt for. So scroll through your list and then click on view order details. So there should be an option to view the details for your order. So this is what the page should look like. While you're viewing your receipt info, the order details page contains your purchase info, such as your item name, the order number, the purchase history, seller info, item price, shipping charges, taxes if applicable, payment method. This serves as your receipt for the transactions. So take note of the item, the order number, which would be up here, as well as the price you paid and the total. All right, once that's done, you can go ahead and print this out. And then for mobile, all you need to do is sign into your account, open up the order details for the product you ordered, take note of the order number, the date, and the amount paid. All right, guys, and if you want anything else, all you need to do is just contact the seller for a more professional invoice or receipt. All right.